Hi everyone, so today we're going to have a go at creating a background for our Flash animation. So first, open Flash. Next, we're going to create a new Flash file. Okay, don't worry which one you choose, but I would choose the top one in the list. Okay, so this opens our Flash area, and as you can see, we have a big white rectangle in the middle of the screen. Okay? This is the stage where our animation is going to happen. So everything that you want the audience to see should be in the stage. Now my background is going to be very, very easy. All I'm going to do, I'm going to take a rectangle and I'm going to draw a big rectangle at the top of my stage. There we go. And I'm going to make it blue because I want it to look like the sky. So I'm just going to choose a blue color here, select blue, and then get the paint bucket tool and just make it all blue. Now do you see there is a black line there? I don't want to see that black line. So I'm going to go to my selection tool and I'm going to click on the black line, and I'm just going to press delete on my keyboard. No more black line. In fact, there's a black line all the way around this shape. So I'm just going to delete the black lines. I don't want them. Now the next part of my background is a building, and I'm going to choose the rectangle tool again. In fact, before I draw this time, I'm going to make it red, because I know I want it to be red. So there's a rectangle, and I'm just going to draw what I think is going to be my bank. And again, oh dear, have I messed up? We've got the black lines again. Can I delete those? Yes, I can. I don't want the black lines. Is there an easier way to do that? We'll find out. Now the cool thing about Flash is you can use the selection tool here to come to the edge. Do you see where the cursor becomes square? There. Square. Come down, square. You can click and drag, and you can reshape your shape. You can also come to the edge of a shape, and do you see the cursor? It changes again, this time to a curved line. Do you see that curved line? So when you see the curved line, you can click and drag, and it will change the shape of the shape. So you can create your own new shapes using. Okay? And it takes a little bit of experience and practice, but you can have fun with that. Now I'm going to make a white rectangle to make a window. Just going to put a window here. And let's mess around with the shape of the window. Again, I'm just changing the shape using those techniques that I mentioned earlier. I'm going to make another strange window here. Remember, we're making an animation. An animation is a cartoon. Things can look weird. That's fine. You don't need to worry about being super perfect about drawing your building. You can mess around. Okay? So there's the start of my bank. I'm just going to make a big sign. It's going to be white. I'm going to stick it up here. And this is where I'm going to have some text that says the bank. Okay, there's my text. Just go back to the selection tool. Oh, it's white. So let's change that to another color. And let's put it into place. There we go, the bank. Is there any way that I can make that smaller? What's this one? Transform. Let's try the transform tool. Oh yeah, okay. So I can just make it a little bit smaller. Brilliant. And we'll give it a couple of kind of posts to make it look like it's connected to the bank. And I'm just going to continue. You can design your own background. It's up to you. I'm just going to keep going here. I'm going to kind of draw a path that comes away from the bank. just kind of mess around with that. There's a path. I'll just use the fill bucket to fill that up. I don't like that bit, so I'm going to choose the eraser, and I'm just going to erase little bits of it as well. Try and make it look like I want it to look. And there you go. See if you can create a background for your animation. Good luck.